Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1971 Olds Cutlass Supreme convertible. Great car, guys. I actually bought this from a lady down in Tennessee. She's owned the car for the last 9 years. Great car. Matter of fact, I bought it, and then my wife and her girlfriend, while we were down there, jumped in it. They jumped in it and took it to lunch. So, really good running and driving car. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. She said it was restored about 12 years ago. But a lot of the car's original car, I think it's got 63,000, if I remember right, 63,000 miles on it. Has been repainted, one repaint. This is Saturn Gold, the original color. I believe the interior is all original. Still has the matching numbers. 350 engine underneath the hood. Factory air car. Like I say, just a good car. Really turn the key and point the direction and go. Real good car. A couple little things you can nitpick. You can see a couple little touch-up marks as we walk around it. But I really like the car. Like I say, drove out great. My wife drove it. My little stone peck right there. Everything seems to work on the car. Chrome's nice. I'd say these are the original bumpers, though. You can see a little wear to them, but they're in nice shape. Little ding right there. Like I say, good car. I know it's got air blows cold. Sun's behind my building here, but when we get it out in the road, that sun's gonna hit it, and this color's got a lot of metallic in it. It looks good. Power top. I took a couple photos with the top up, so you can see it with the top up. This is original boot. Now, I think this rear bumper may have been replaced. It's awfully nice. Little scratches there. Yeah, I'm not trying to pick it apart, but I'll try to show you anything that I can see. I believe it's got all the original body panels, very original underneath. Nice and straight down the sides. Got the Firestone white letter tires all the way around it. Factory 14-inch rally wheels. I'd put brand new. It's got brand new Flowmaster dual exhaust. I think the boys had to check the wipers. I think the wipers needed to be fixed, and they may have already done that, to be honest with you. I think they came up and kind of stuck, and then they fixed them. Oh, nope, that's just a little bug. Power front disc brakes, power steering, again, air conditioning that blows ice cold, dual sport mirrors. Very original car. Matching numbers, 350 engine, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the original sticker still here underneath the hood. Factory air cleaner and valve covers. It's a good old car on a nice day to drop the top and go get some ice cream. I like the color. Gold on these Oldsmobiles just, to me, just looks right. This is a remote mirror. Door handles look original and they're pretty doggone nice. Again, I think all this stuff is original, guys. There's your original door tag. You know, tire sticker in there from, what's the date on that? Can't really read, 95. See, the bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. Again, I think all this stuff is original. Original carpet, original sill plates. Factory bench seat car. All the lights in here work. The power top works great. It's got the glass rear window in the convertible top. Sports steering wheel. Of course, it's got the wood grain dash. 63,928. Blower motor works. Clock doesn't work. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio. Again, brand new Flowmaster. A little stone peck right there. Dual exhaust, stock 10 bolt with, you know, no big gear, probably, you know, 323, something like that. Definitely something you get on the highway and cruise. It's just clean as can be, guys. It's got a rally spare with the old bias ply. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Just a good quality car. Everything opens and closes real nice. See a couple new cars just got in. 66 Fury, 71 Buick GS. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that site. Again, car's nice and clean underneath, pretty original. But it doesn't look like it's ever had any panels put in it. Door skins are nice and clean. It's got all the original seat belts. Factory dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. It's got the wood grain. Again, dual sport mirrors. Then here, go ahead and get your air on. Air blows cold. This is just a nice car, man. Like I say, turn the key and point the direction. Really nothing for gauges. Fuel gauge does work though. Got a nice sound in the back. Backup lights work. Yeah, that's just a good quality car right there, guys. It works. I just had it on. You just might have to change. Oh, you're up against the building too. So, the antenna's in the dash. The doors open and close real nice. Huh. There they go. Check those wipers, man. I'm not real sure. It's got to be the connection. It might even be in the switch. Might be loose, Jordan. Headlights, yeah. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep there. Yeah, those wipers, like, I think it's just a connection. Keep track of our website. You can do that on our social media, Instagram, Facebook. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. Oh, I like that. Look, now you can see that color on that car. Have a great day, guys.